let's pick it up where we left off.
I can't see you. Here, ladies and gentlemen, at the Fat Guy Institute for Boat Repairs, we pride ourselves on our manliness. All right, this is what I want to do. I'm going to take this floor up. I want to take this fascia off. I want to take the rest of this pleather off. Shag carpet, it's all got to go. It has got to go. There's another fat guy on the way. I think we might be able to completely destroy the bunk room as well. After that, we'll finally be able to clean up in here and see what we got. I don't like cleaning up 10 times during a job. It just eats up all your hours. Shoo! Mental note, do not forget there's a hole in the ground behind you. We're gonna take this thing apart and put it right back. I see you people out there in the comments that have your own boat projects and you're getting disheartened. Don't get disheartened with the project. Just look at it as your stress relief. You'll find that you go running to your boat for solitude or therapy or whatever it is you need. And pretty soon it's not a chore anymore. It's just a place where you can go to enjoy yourself and relax. That's what this thing is for me. How much you want to bet there's more mayonnaise underneath here? Mayonnaise! The whole jar. Let's see that works. Definitely running out of space. Another fat guy has arrived.
I love what you've done with the place.
How are you, bro?
Good.
Good to see you.
You too.
Oh! Hi, Mike. It's not where we're... A little better. Oh, right. Not even mayonnaised in. That's good cough, man.
That's some money shot right there.
What?
Nothing.
What were you looking at?
Nothing.
Here, I accidentally knocked that off. 3 of them, huh? The other showing up. Pretty sure this belongs to my daughter. McKenna, I'm gonna save this one for you. No!
Stuffed animals, stuffed animal, stuffed animal.
Now what do we do? Oh, there's carpet up inside there. God bless us. Dude, it never ends with the carpet. What? So sweaty. Wait. This is what happens when you put 2 fat guys in the same place. All kinds of amazing things can happen. It's all... Time to move into the bunk room. It's a problem though, all the stuff is in the way. It's all got to go. Get out of here! All right. This looks like it should... Oh no, return of the hatchet. Trash heap. There we go. That's good. I don't know if we keep that or not. I don't like it, throw it away. Ooh, look at that. There's a king of the mud dauber nest. Plastic tubing for conduit for the electrical line. This whole thing right here is not good. We gotta, oh, look at it. Just falling out of there. Rotten, dead, pathetic. Trash. Oh, that's tough. It's really killing me. Wow. Come on. Like it's... Man's going after it. Big stainless steel screws like this in the grommets are expensive. Pardon me, miss. That's pretty good. Pretty good throw. Hi, Joshua!
It's her way out.
Escape. I do understand that it's getting repetitive, but I figured we'd be remiss if we didn't show you all the demolition. But there's one thing you got to remember. 2 fat guys are better than one. Huh? Mm-hmm.
It's good to tear stuff up every now and then. It's good for the soul.
It is good for the soul.
Sub to the channel and watch this boat become amazing.